Hey guys, so today I want to show you how to upload a file to RStudio Cloud. Uploading a file to RStudio Cloud is really convenient because it keeps all of your files in one workspace. This is really especially helpful whenever you're attending a workshop and you want to have your PowerPoint files, maybe you have PDFs of different articles you may want to access while you're working through some of the R code. So I really find it very useful to use RStudio Cloud, especially whenever you're working in a workshop environment or you work between computers. Especially with COVID, uh, now we have to work both at home and in the office and different places. So RStudio Cloud just provides a very nice function for us to access files and work with projects. So I'll go ahead and show you this. It's very simple. We go ahead here and we click upload. Now all of these files here are files that are on the RStudio Cloud server. They're not on your local computer, so we have to upload files to that server from our local computer if we want to access them. Today we're going to be uploading an Excel spreadsheet that we'll use in future videos. This is from a Journal of Business Research article that I've talked about in previous videos that you may find helpful for your research in the future. So we just went and uploaded that file. In our next video, we're going to show you how to access that file and read that into the RStudio Cloud environment. If you have any questions about uploading a file to the RStudio Cloud server, please feel free to email me at kt.manus@ttu.edu.